In your assignment, you are going to find a table with data in it, and then you will find over here 3 bullets that you need to follow. The first thing to do is to color the cells in this table. There are 2 ways to do it. You can either select every cell and choose a color from here and color it, for example like that, or you can select all the cells like that, and then from here you can find format as table and make it a table. You choose one of these examples. You can tick my table has header because there's a header over here. And I'm going to remove the color over here. You can select the cells from here and then you can align them in the center. If you want that the total will be different than the others, you can select those cells and color them differently. You can also choose that the total will be, for example, outlined. They asked us to find the sum for every column, so we're going to click over here, and then this sign means auto sum. It's going to make addition to all these data. So this is my sum. I will do the same for this and the same for this one. If you want to check if the sum is working well, you can look at the formula, and it gives you the location from where to where. This is L4 until L9. This is 9. Now my last option is to create a chart from the data. So from going to insert, you can find over here different options. By the drop-down menu, you have many over here. I'm going to choose one of the options. This is another example, and of course, if you want to title it, you can go over here and change the title of the chart, and you can label the data if you want. So I'm going to put it outside end, and now I have the labeled data over here. You could always format from here. You can format and change the colors for every type. So for example, now it turned to yellow. And technically, this is your practice today.